Hi and welcome to today's episode. Today we will install the PreciEdge module, which is the accessory you use to get closer to the edge while cutting. We will have some information about it and we will see how it performs. So follow through and I will start with installing the PreciEdge. I have already have it installed, so it will look a little bit dirty. If you do it while it's new, it probably will be a little bit easier. But hang on. So here we have the underside of the mower again, and when you install the PreciEdge module, one thing that's easily forgotten is to remove this part of the cutting deck. And this needs to be removed because otherwise the knives can't spin here. So there's two screws, one here and one here. I have already loosened them, and when you have unscrewed them, you just put it off. So when that part of the cutting deck is removed, there is the side module that should be replaced with the PreciEdge module that you need to remove, and it's also fastened by screws, and there is 4 in total, one in more or less in each corner of it. So we start with undoing this. You just lift it straight up, and then you have the PreciEdge module, and you have a contact here that needs to fit into the contact in the mower. That's what's transferring the power and how much it needs to work to make sure it doesn't get stuck. So then you fasten the same 4 screws again. And then the last one is inside here. And it's important that you tighten them pretty tight because they need to create the seal to make sure water doesn't leak in. So there we go. Now it's mounted and ready. And those 2 pieces that you removed, you should save in case something happens with the PreciEdge module and you need to send it in. Then you can replace those parts again and continue using the mower. And a little bit of information on the PreciEdge module. It's not height adjustable, so it will always be 50 millimeters above ground. As you can see, the blade reaches to around 5 millimeters from the edge of this one, and that's just maybe a centimeter in from the wheel. So you will have 3 centimeters from the outside to the edge of the blade. And what I meant with different edge types gives different distances is that if you run against a wall, you can never hug it straight up to the edge of the mower. You want to leave maybe between 5 and 10 centimeters from the wall to make sure that you don't scratch the mower too much if something happens. And since you always need to weed whack or trim next to the walls, it doesn't matter if it's 3, 5 or 10 centimeters. Most weed whackers have more than 10 centimeters in one sweep anyway, so it will take the same time. So it's windy today. So in my opinion, it's better to hold off a little bit extra from the walls to make sure you don't scratch or anything happens with the mower. It will also make it less prone to getting stuck. But if you have tiles, you can run 1 wheel on the tile, and as you see, you don't need to run more than the wheel on the tile, and it will still cut all the grass. If you didn't have the PreciEdge, you would need to have the end of the tile maybe here instead of here. So it makes a pretty big difference. So that's a little bit of information on the PreciEdge module, and it actually does pretty much difference, especially on our yard where we have pretty tall grass in some areas. I will show you a little bit later. You get that razor sharp edge against that grass without the wheels having to plow through the high grass. So we will have a look into that. Now I will show you some places where it actually matters to have the PreciEdge module. If you look like a part like this, where you have tiles or other hard material on one side and the grass on the other, you will only need to run the wheel up to about here, and it will take all of it. If you wouldn't have it, you would need the inner wheel to be almost in here to make sure that you get all the grass. It also makes a little bit of a difference in situations like this. Now I haven't run it all the way up to, but here I could run it because it's a wooden material, so it doesn't hurt the mower to go really close to it. And that would make me get rid of maybe up to here instead. And also places like this, you run the mower as close to the bushes as you can. Now I have some dandelions here and they are growing really fast. But you can, if you run the mower up to the tall grass or bushes, it will mow all the way into it, instead of leaving a strip of 7 to 8 centimeters. Against the walls, as I said, I rather leave a little bit of extra space because I need to run it anyway. But if you look on it from this side, if you keep the mower with the wheels here, which is around 10 centimeters from the wall, it will cut all the way here, because the PreciEdge module will be here and the wheels here, and it cuts almost up to the wheels. Without the PreciEdge, you would have the cut end around here. So it does make a big difference, even when you run tightly to the walls. And when I said high grass, this is what I meant. You see, you get this very sharp line where the mower cuts, and the wheel never have to be in the tall grass, so it can grow how tall it wants. It won't disturb the mower. As you see, it's very sharp, and you can actually see the wheel tracks, that it's never running in the high grass, but it cuts all the way to it. And it's very consistent because you can see it all around this area. And when you have hedges, the problem I have is it's that the trees in the hedge isn't standing on a straight line, so I won't get all the way onto them everywhere. And since I need to weed whack anyway, I try to save the mower here as well, to make sure it never hits any of those hedge plants. So I leave maybe 5 centimeters, but still it doesn't need to run in the high grass to cut this close. And that's the same everywhere around the hedge. But it can absolutely run underneath the hedge to get under there and keep the grass away a bit. So you don't have that much to edge anyway. And here I haven't. Here I have the. So you can see both where I have had one wheel on the tiles and one wheel not on the tiles. You can see here it's cut all the way, and this is without the PreciEdge module. Not sure how well you can see it, but as you can see, here is a line of grass maybe 5 centimeters wide, and there is none. So I haven't ran with the PreciEdge module along this edge yet. But this is how it looks without, and this is with. So absolutely makes a difference. And I can't run too far into the tiles here. As you can see, the legs from the pool is pretty close to the edge. So here it really helps to have that module. That was all for today's episode about the PreciEdge module. If you think I forgot something or you have questions about it, please leave them in the comments and I will answer them as soon as possible. They might turn into a video if they are needed to be. And don't forget to subscribe or like this video to make sure you don't miss what's coming. Have a good evening. Bye bye.